Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and today I am here in Amtola Bazar. This is just near Joka, Kolkata, just to explore what varieties of seeds you can sow in the month of November, December. Number one is cauliflower. You can sow the seeds in seeds tray, and then after 1 month you can transplant. Namdari seeds is very nice, best variety of cauliflower you can get, and this is also Seminis from Barkha or White Treasure from Sakata. This is also very nice variety. And now the number two is cabbage. So cabbage is the Namdari is very nice seeds. Cabbage or from Sakata, Tokita, Green Presto 8228 or Rare World variety. These are the best varieties available in the market. And if you want to buy and cheaper prices, then you can get Satabdi seeds also. This is also very nice. You can grow in garden, kitchen garden, or in pots also. But in pots, 8-inch pot, grow one seedling in one 8-inch pot to go get the cabbage or cauliflower. Number three is tomato. Tomato based varieties tomatoes are available. If you buy Satabdi seeds in cheap price, based nine, and bio seeds is also very nice. Pauja seeds are now almost desi variety like and big fruits around 200 grams fruits. And if you want, you can buy color seeds also. This is the long one, and the round one is also from KSP 1306 Bahubali. This is around 200 gram round shape. Very beautiful tomatoes you can get from there, and if you want, you can grow in containers also. You can get, and the best variety you can get the Syngenta 1458. This is also very nice. And if you want to get hundreds of fruits, you can Indosem Rustam. This is also nice. Now that pumpkin, the winter season pumpkin number 4, you can grow Kalase Rana. This is BSS 749, very nice variety, or Crystal Bravo. This is around the year we can grow. And Namdari also, pumpkin NS 9532 or 288. These numbers are very nice. And Tokita, this season, winter season, Tokita you can grow 2 to 2.5 kilos weight, and the taste is very nice from Tokita. This is Bimal. You can grow this in this season. Now time to grow radish. This is number 5 radish. Durga is in our market. Durga radish is the best radish you can grow. You can grow in container or you can grow in your kitchen garden. This is a bicolor. If you want to grow red one Durga variety also very nice, and this is the best Durga variety. Our peasants and farmers grow this in our area, this variety. If you want to grow a radish white variety, you can grow Satabdi variety, or different brands are available. Some Japanese varieties also. This white one, this is the Taki, best variety of white radish you can grow, but the soil should be very soft and around 1 feet deep. The soil should be very soft up to 1 feet deep. And the next one is carrot. You can grow Tokita. This is a Kuroda improved variety of Tokita Japan. This is the red one. Red one is very tasty, very sweet. And Satabdi also, last time I grew Satabdi, and this is also very nice red variety. If you want to grow some orange variety, this is also Rishi Seeds orange variety, and you can grow this one also. This lasts for longer time, but in red variety is the best and for the taste. Now you can grow in the month of November, December chilies also. There are lots of brands are available in the chilies, some Pahuja seeds or some Bharat Mata seeds or US Agri seeds. In our area, the agriculturist or the peasants grow this US Agri seeds. This is a very long lasting, and if you want, you can grow some capsicum also. Some crystal capsicum or Satabdi capsicum you can grow in this season. This is very good. If you want to grow mustard seed, Sukarna mustard seed from Kalas variety. Sukarna mustard seed in our market area. This is a very fungal resistant and insect resistant variety. Sukarna, you can grow this 1 kg packet of 250 rupees. You can grow in this month. And the next one is the beans. You can grow two varieties. This is the bush bean. You can see Puja seeds. These are the bush bean, solar seeds, and this is the Tokita or some seeds in different brands. These are bush beans. If you want to grow some trellis and some Machan variety, this is the Machan variety, solar seeds Machan variety. This some trellis and stakes you can grow this one. This one is the best. Some pencil variety. This is called local in our local market. This is called pencil variety solar seed. This is best one. And if you want, you can grow the fortune also. This is also beans. Beans are the one of the finest vegetables you can grow in the winter season. Up to April, you can harvest beans from here. So both the types of beans you can grow in the month of November and December. Next item is brinjal. Brinjal you can grow. Different brands are available. Different varieties are available in brinjal. Up to 30 to 40 varieties of brinjal you can grow. This is the violet one, red one. This the red one is the best for you growing in container, or if you are growing in garden. This green one is also very nice for garden, kitchen garden type, and they weight for around 200 gram. And this long violet type is also for garden as well as your container. This is the 5 varieties I am showing you, and there are also 30-40 varieties of brands are available in this brinjal, but you have to spray regular organic insecticide for growing them. Now comes the term the broccoli. This is also full of vitamins. You can grow sakata. Sakata broccoli is the one of the finest, or if you want you can grow some other varieties brands also from crystals is also nice brands. And now comes this nol khol. This is also called kohlrabi, nolkol, German turnip. And if you grow this taki variety, this weigh around 400 to 500 gram, and this variety is also nice. In 2 months only you can harvest this kohlrabi. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to contact this, I am giving the mobile number here over. You can contact and you can buy here from. Thanks a lot.